Okay, so good morning. You are welcome to what we call the recap of our course GST 113, where we teach you the fundamentals of literacy skills and how you can use the library. Yes, as librarians, that's what we do. We want to help you to navigate your way through the library. I know it feels very disheartening that you would come into the library, for instance, and try to check all the shelves, and at the end find out that what you're looking for is not there. So we have tools, we have things that you can do that will help you to make your use of library very seamless. That's why we're taking this course. It's just a 1 unit course actually, but here we'll be giving you a recap, maybe in just 5 minutes, of what we do in the lecture hall for about 1 hour. So this course is handled by my university librarian, Mrs. Mary Jane Abakwa, and myself, Mr. Hilary, yes, and Mr. Charles Aniedo. So we will be walking you through how you can become an information literate person, and as well how you can effectively use the library. So as I said, this course, the basic aim is to help you to provide a pathway for effective utilization of libraries in higher institutions of learning, and to provide library patrons with basic information. Usually we teach this course to first year students, but if you have missed it, really it's important that you actually try to get information about this course. So in the course of this, we will familiarize you with the meaning, functions, and types of libraries, which is what we do today. And subsequently, we look at the concept of information literacy, the skills, ICT application in libraries, our digital section, which you know I had in this library. Yes, we also lead you to see scholarly information. We'll talk about journals. We have databases that we have subscribed to. So for our students who come into the library, we give them access to the subscribed databases. We have lots of open access, which I can also give to you. Then we shall also discuss information, resources, and their specific uses. Very importantly, as students who will be writing projects, we shall lead you into different referencing and citation styles about the upper and a lot of things like that. Then we shall also teach you how you can access the library resources using catalogs and other finding aids. We shall talk about the modern information tools, talking about the QR code and other technologies we are using in the library right now. We shall also acquaint you with copyright laws. When you produce books, there are some laws that you have to just get to know about to avoid plagiarisms and all of that. And in this era of artificial intelligence, we have to use it ethically. Then we shall also look at components of networking systems in libraries and how we can network among library users, how we can share our resources. Then we would also finally look at 10 papers, show you how to cite them and all of that. So because this is just an introductory course, we just go very quickly into defining what a library is. A library is a collection of books and non-book materials which have been carefully selected. It has been organized, and we want our patrons, community users, to use them effectively. The university library, for instance, is the hub, intellectual hub of that university. No school will be accredited without the university participating fully. In fact, according to Ibejim Obina A, in the year 2024, he sees libraries as agents of social, education, political, and economic change that is accessible to all. That's to tell you how much a library can do for us. Then we have types of libraries. School libraries, these ones are created to support educational programs in nursery, primary, and secondary schools. And also have academic libraries, which is the one we are in. If you are in a higher institution, tertiary institution, the library you find there are called academic libraries. We have special libraries. This was a libraries dedicated to providing special targeted information for specific use or user groups, like medical professionals, law firms. You can have libraries, we call them special libraries. Then we have the national libraries. This is the apex library in any country. the country provides a library that collects information about that country. Then we have public libraries. These ones are funded by the state or local government, and they provide information, free services to anyone, no restriction of age, gender, color, or religion. Let's quickly look at the functions of a library. Library provides access to information. That is what we do. We bring books, newspapers, journals, both electronic versions and all of that to support the intellectual needs of both students and lecturers. We promote literacy. As we do in this course, we want you to become literate, to know how to get information, how to use it, and how to package it. So we also provide in the library educational support. We help people in the school. What you are there for is to get education. So all the resources provided in the library are provided for students, educators, and researchers to help them academically. Then the libraries also preserve culture. There are libraries that even have archives, cultural archives, historical books, references. You will find them there. So cultural preservation is also one of the functions of library. We have several, but for this course, we're taking it very simple. We want you to understand what it's all about. So I asked my students in the class, I asked them, is it possible to be the best graduating students in university without visiting the university library? I know they have their views. You can also share your views on the comment section below. Thank you, and I promise we're going to continue to give you recap, maximum 5 minutes recap of our course. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.